again.
It's Maxie again with another look or video. But this video is basically, you know, when you're stuck in quarantine and you're just trying to like see what, like, how would this turn out? So I had this synthetic wig in the back of my closet because I had a performance once, wore it once, and I was just sitting here. I was like, you know what? I know some people probably do the same thing, but they don't know how to lay their synthetic lace, okay? Because some people do photo shoots, some people do stuff with synthetic lace still, you know? But for the convenience of the price and how you can make it look better, if you can make it look better. Some of them, you can't help it at all. Like, this is already acting up, or maybe I'm tripping, or I'm probably tripping. Hold on, y'all. Just enough for you guys to show you the length. I think it's 20. I'm pretty short myself, so this is what it looks like, you know. But if you want to see how I customized this, how I got it to look a little Barbie. I never like thought I would like ever have my hair looking like this on camera. I have it in a low ponytail. It's crazy. I am going to be using this, you know, everybody know what this is. It's a stocking cap. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm really doing this on camera. Like, I'm gonna look freaking crazy. So obviously I got makeup on it, but that's bound to happen. I try to get my hair out the way. All my baby hairs out the way, but there's always that one stubborn one. And here we go. So this is the wig, y'all. This is the wig. It is synthetic, and I already cut the lace out. When I got this wig, I was just, you know, having fun. It was only $40. And obviously I just threw it in the back of my closet once I was done because I wasn't gonna wear it outside, because I felt so self-conscious about it, because I'm like, people can tell, people can feel it. Like, I just couldn't. But I'm like, you know what, let me try to revive it, make it look cute, and see if how, like, you could, I feel like if you do get a synthetic lace, like, I wouldn't recommend it if you're trying to, like, you know, have something for a month or two. But if you're trying to like do something for one day and you want to see how a certain type of hair looks on you, then I would say, yeah, you could do that. So this is a 613, and I'm just gonna pop it up, pop it in. Oh, let me go ahead and adjust the clips, because I like it tight, and I'm not gonna be using any. Obviously, with my human laces, I would use Ghost Bond or anything lace glue related, but this is just a synthetic wig, and we're just putting it on for the night, for the day, but we're trying to like make it look cute. Just don't go close to people and don't hug people, because it gets caught to stuff. So I'm just gonna bring it forward, and you can see the lace. It's literally not even a lace front. There's literally no parting space on the side. There's only parting space, I believe, right here, which is not even a parting space. That's the way it comes, literally. So I'm just trying to get it to the middle of my head so it looks like it's, let's just try. I don't even want to say what I wanted to say, because I'm like, why am I lying to myself? It would never look real, but we're just gonna do our best. Okay. All right. I feel secure. All right. So, I mean, like I said, I only wore it like probably twice, so it's not looking too crazy, but it has so much flyaways, as you can see, and we're just gonna try to fix that. Now to keep the sides down, we're gonna use everybody's favorite spray, which is the Got to Be glue spray. And I'm just gonna spray that in the lace, in the edge. The little bit of lace I left. And I also have, also have to blow dry it a little bit to get this to stay down. But first I'm gonna spray it. Look at that, it's running all on my makeup. This is a sad event, but we're gonna try our best. This is probably a better amount, so I'm gonna try to get the same amount, a little bit less because that was too much. I'm gonna cut these sides, but first I'm gonna spray this down like so it starts to blend a little bit better. Let's get this side going on. See, just get that on here. It's gonna mess up your makeup a little bit, but you could just go back in later. So I'm gonna get my blow dryer and blow dry this baby down. Blow dry the sides down. All right. I hope that shit, it didn't burn it, did it? Or was that already here? The good thing about synthetic lace, not this part, is not getting my face. You don't have to worry about cutting it. So I'm just gonna cut those naps, but I just had to cut that nap. So how I'm gonna cut my baby hair, I'm gonna cut my baby hair this way. I'm just starting gradually, guys. I'm gonna, as you can see, so probably cut a little more. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna try to do a little bit of baby hair, not too much, but just a little bit. I'm using this Got to Be glue, good old toothbrush. Don't judge me. If you have the actual edge control thing, this thing keeps getting in my mouth. That's what I'm talking about. And a little bit of mousse. So I'm just gonna shake up my mousse. As you can see, you don't want to put heat to the actual hair itself because it's not real. It's not real. It's not real. So we're just gonna apply mousse. Mousse always makes it a little bit better, a little softer. Look at that. Keeps away the flyaways. And let me back up a little bit. So you can see, it's a little bit less flyaway, as I was telling you. So now we're gonna do a little bit of baby hair, not too much. We're gonna start with, I had already cut a little piece of baby hair here the first time I wore it. I'm brushing some of it backwards first. And then, as you can see, the little one right here. So you just want to slick that backwards into the hair.
And you want to grab as little hair as possible.
Don't grab too much hair I hate when there's like so much baby hair. It just looks too unrealistic. Just applying a little bit up here. Like that. And just bringing these down again.
You want to bring your sides down again? Yeah.
So I'm trying to lay my part a little bit flatter. Now, get to brushing the hair. Ooh. Good old paddle brush. As you can see, this is gonna shed a lot. So let's just, you can start from the ends. I'm gonna back up a little bit. When you think it's human hair, but it's synthetic, I thought it was like gonna run swiftly because it started feeling soft, but who am I kidding? Who am I kidding? And you could keep one ear tucked behind. To ensure that it stays behind my ear, I'm gonna use a bobby pin so that it doesn't move, because I don't want it to move. Stub it on. And then, bam. Rock it like so. I'm gonna back up just a little bit so you guys can see the full, like, specs. Some of you guys, when I want that bouncy look, I push the hair back and I go like this. So it gives you that bump effect. And this is it. Like, you would not be able to tell this was synthetic if I didn't tell you. Now, like I said, this ain't gonna look like this for 5 days. You know, I'm gonna add a little more mousse to the ends. This is not gonna look like that for 5 days. This is gonna look like that for the most 8 hours. Like, the most 8 hours. It is a 30-inch, but this is how you can, you know, do a quick little fake, I don't know, do a quick catfish, do a quick photo shoot. You don't have to like spend money on hair like that, because you could just rock a little synthetic. You just gotta know how to put it on. Don't put your wigs right here, please. I know some of you guys will put the wigs a little bit like on the eyebrows. Don't do it, okay? Don't. But that's it. This is the look. And if you like this video, thumbs up. If you want to see more synthetic lace wig customizations, let me know, because your girl will hook you up. But for real, follow me on Instagram. Like this video, comment on this video. Let me know if you rock synthetic wigs, and if you do, how long do you rock it for, and like, where do you go? Okay, because I want to know. But I think I did a pretty okay job customizing it, making it look acceptable, making it look a little real. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like it, thumbs up. Go ahead and check out all my other videos while you're at it. If you're in quarantine, not doing anything, stay tuned for my next video. And also follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me. Just don't stop. All right. Anyways,